बैठे हैं दिल तुम्हें, खो गए हैं कहीं, क्या कर गए हो हमें, रूठे तो बात ना तुमसे करे, पर बात तेरी ही करे, रहना है बन के तेरा, माहिया तू रहना मेरा, चौखट तेरी डेरा मेरा, उल्फत मेरी चेहरा तेरा, रहना है बन के तेरा, माहिया तू रहना मेरा। आस इतनी सी है, तू नजरों से ओझल ना हो, तू देखे ना हमें, ऐसे भी दो पल ना हो, रूठे तो चेहरा तेरा ना देखे, पर चेहरा तेरा ही देखे, रहना है बन के तेरा, माहिया तू रहना मेरा, चौखट तेरी डेरा मेरा, उल्फत मेरी चेहरा तेरा, बन के तेरा, माहिया तू रहना मेरा।
It's a very funny story. We met through a common friend and it was at a cafe for 45 minutes. So it was supposed to be a date, but he came late. So I said, I only have 45 minutes. So we met only for 45 minutes because I'm very particular about time and the amount of time I spend on things. So if you come late, then I had to be like myself. And I said, only 45 minutes. So we only like spent 45 minutes at a coffee shop. I think it was a very organic, like we met with the intention to date, and I would say both of us put in the effort, but it happened very organically.
Today this could be the greatest day of our lives, before it all ends, before we run out of time. Stay close to me, stay close to me, watch the world come alive tonight. Stay close to me, shine the light on our greatest days. Light up, shine the light on our greatest days. Light up, tonight this could be the greatest night of our lives. Let's make a new start. The future is ours to find. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it in my eyes? Can you feel it? Oh, can you feel it? Can you hold it in your eyes? light on our greatest days. Light up, light up, shine a light on our greatest days. Light up, oh, and the world comes alive, and the world comes alive, and the world comes alive. Oh, 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 stay close to me. Hold on, stay close to me. Watch the world come alive tonight. Stay close to me.
I think my parents were pretty happy. My mom was very happy because she was like, okay, I don't have to take responsibility to find someone. She was very happy that I did it on my own terms. And so were his parents. His parents were also very happy about the fact that, you know, you've done it yourself. You've figured out what you want. So I think that way we were very lucky that both sides of parents were.
I've come a long way riding my cycle just to say how lovely you are. I had to say it without a doubt, 'cause with that smile you took my heart. Yellow paper daisy, you've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love. I've always tried to tell you how I feel about you and me, my love. I promise you with all my heart to hold your hand when life gets tough. Yellow paper daisy, you've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love. Love is in the air. I'm out of words, but I'll still try to show you how you're a perfect kind. Yellow paper daisy, you've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again. Yellow paper daisy, you've made me crazy lately. My heart's been so racy. Maybe I'm falling in love again.
कितनों की लव स्टोरियां केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं तेरे सारे तेरी फिक्र में
Dad. So my dad always wanted both me and my sister to marry Bengali boys, but we've never stayed in West Bengal. We've grown up in the south. We've only had like friends from outside. So initially he was like, Mangali chile pelli na, but we were also like, it's your fault. You never like, kept us in Kolkata. We were always outside. So yeah, I think it took him some time, but he came around eventually.
सामने खड़ी है तकदी है अखियां तो ओले हसदी है सामने खड़ी है तकदी है अखियां तो ओले हसदी है सुननी अड़िए तेरी नदिया किनारे रागन तेरे गिनदा सितारे बैके बनेरे सुन ले तू मेरी किस गल ते अड़िए करके बहाना आ जावे नेड़े सुननी अड़िए तेरी ख्वाब में तेरे शाम सवेरे तेरे बाजों तेरे रास्ते भी रात नेड़े दूर होके भी पास मेरे
Something positive about him, I think apart from calm, he's a very like he's funny. He's very funny, and he's also very proud of his sense of humor. I was not very much in favor of his sense of humor once upon a time, but he's a very funny person, and like if he's in the room, everyone's just laughing, looking at his like very realistic reactions of like he just says whatever he feels like. So yeah, that's something that he really appreciates about himself, that I can make anybody laugh, and then even I realize it's actually something.
ओ काला शा काला, ओ काला शा काला, मेरा काला ए सरदार, गोरियां नू दफा करो, गोरियां नू दफा करो, मैं आप गले दी तार, काला शा काला। पटियाले आ जा सजना, तेनू तकदियां मेरियां गलियां, पटियाले आ जा सजना, तेनू तकदियां दिल दियां गलियां, कालियां मिर्चां नमक ते जामन लैके मैं सादा चलिया, केक मेरा रांझण आया, ओ दिल दा चानण आया, ओ खिड़ खिड़ हसी आई, ओ दिल विच मस्ती आई, दिल मेरा है मुकिया, दिल मेरा है मुकिया, तुम वेखी सारी दुनिया पर तेरे ते यार रुकिया, तुम वेखी सारी दुनिया पर तेरे ते यार रुकिया, इनू सांभ के रखांगा, इनू सांभ के रखांगा, जद तक सा चल दे तेनू रोज मैं थकांगा, जद तक सा चल दे तेनू रोज मैं थकांगा।
Omona, I feel that she's a very good-natured, like she has a very beautiful heart, and like deep down she always thinks that when I'm with her, I should be comfortable, and in a lot of things she does, that is like the cornerstone, that she has a good heart and she wants everyone around her to be happy, and she tries extra hard to ensure that everyone is happy.
It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be quite a ride, but yeah, I think I'm excited. So I think we're both very excited. So looking forward to this.
कैसा प्यार तू जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए, कैसा प्यार तू जताए, कैसे पास मेरे आए, मैंने बाहों तेरे दिल की चोरियां मैं तेरी हो गईयां, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, हाँ मैं तेरी हो गईयां। तेरी लाग ऐसी लागी, रैन सारी सारी जागी, तेरी लाग कैसी माहिया, तूने ही की मन मानी, एक भी न मेरी मानी, ऐसे क्यों सताया माहिया, कैसे तुझको ये बताए कि हम जी नहीं पाए, कैसे तुझको ये बताए, हाँ हम जी नहीं पाए, जान लेती थी तेरी मेरी दूरियां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां, मैं तेरी हो गईयां।
most important message is don't worry. We'll handle whatever comes our way. And I just want to tell that she doesn't need to worry, and we will take care of whatever comes our way. And there will be ups and downs in our lives, but that is all part of the journey, and I'm happy that I'll be having those up and downs with her, and I'm sure that we'll be very happy to handle those all the events which come and which make happen.
Yeah, the only message I have is that I guess be ready. We're gonna have a crazy fun life ahead, and yeah, chalo, let's do this.
सलमा से तारों वाली शगना दे शब आए रे, बन्नों से बनने के मिलने की जो रुत लाए रे, शहनाई लोगों जी सबके आंखें भर आए रे। सलमा से तारों वाली शगना दे शब आए रे, बन्नों से बनने के मिलने की जो रुत लाए रे, शहनाई लोगों जी सबके आंखें भर आए रे, शहनाई लोगों जी सबके आंखें भर आए रे।
16 बरस के 2 कदम, चौखट के बाहर क्या गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए। हाय बन्नो परदेसिया के देश के, चौबारे तुझको भा गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए। ले रहा सब लाए तेरी माई बाबुल का घर बार है, हो गेंदा गुलाबों से सजी डोली तेरी तैयार है। झूलों के मौसम वो तेरे हमसे रोके भी रोके ना गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए, नी तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए। ओ 16 बरस के 2 कदम, चौखट के बाहर क्या गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए, नी तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए, नी तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल. Yeah, thank you. So this I know, this sort of means that we know that the road ahead would be very difficult and it can be very pleasing as well. So it's very uncertain and I'm sure that we'll be very happy.
हम इश्क के पंछी, हमको उड़ने दो, है रंग मोहब्बत तो फिर हम पे चढ़ने दो, है क्या क्या नहीं छोड़ो जाने दो, जो भी होता है हाँ वो हो जाने दो।
हम इश्क के पंछी, हमको उड़ने दो, तारों में क्या रखा है तुम हमको तो समझो, है क्या क्या नहीं, छोड़ो जाने दो। ये दिन नया है, हाँ खो ना जाने दो। खोई खोई है जिंदगी सितारों में चल वही, अब आसमां हो या ज़मीं ले जाए यूं हवा कहीं। इन ख्वाहिशों में ना रंजिशें राहें नहीं है, इन ख्वाबों में खो जाने दो, खो जाने दो। जो भी होता है हाँ वो हो जाने दो। जो भी होता है हाँ वो हो जाने दो।